go get them again.
Welcome back to the Robezoid channel. I'm your host, Mark, and welcome to an unboxing first impression video on my channel. To all of you that are new here, bonjour, comment ça va? We are delving into the brand of Nihilo. It is a first on my channel. I've never smelt from this brand. This is part of my decanting business, basically. So I'm decanting and discovering a new brand to me. This seems like part of the free bottle brigade as well. I see a lot of this going through the YouTubes, people just magically getting the whole line. I don't know. But this one right here, kind of hyped. Fleur Narcotique. So narcotic flower, we're going to see. This is a hyped fragrance from a hyped brand via free bottle brigade, perhaps. So comment below if we're not part of the FBB. We definitely aren't. But I'm excited. This is the first on my channel. See what this brand can bring to the table. Let's see if this one hits. If you are not subscribed, I'd appreciate hit that subscribe button. Come on in. Come join the Robezoid channel. No free bottles here. No, you know, I'm just a guy with a collection. I do decants though, but you'll never know what comes up on the channel. Niche, indie, designer, men's, women's, who cares? Smash that like button so you can get someone honest like myself with all the influencers. Much appreciated. Let's take a look at the note breakdown beside me. And as you can see, well, from what I can see, this looks like it's going to be a fruity floral. There's not much here that is going to go into, I don't know, there's not heavy woods or anything. There is oak moss in here, and there's woody notes. Other than that, we got orange blossom, jasmine, peony, lychee, bergamot, and peach. So peach is one of those fruits. I'm pretty good with fruits as far as, you know, I like wearing a lot of fragrances that have fruit in them, depending on what's surrounding it. I absolutely love fruity scents that have a leather background, oud background, or something like that. Peach is that one note that is very delicate for me. I think it's just because of my history with the note. Fruity florals, of course, the women in my life. That particular fruity note really makes me think of women. But there's a lot of florals that are just very unisex to me, which is weird. Now, this was released back in 2014, so it has some 10-year anniversary. Congratulations. Not too many fragrances make the 10-year mark, so congratulations to Fleur Narcotique. The nose behind this is Quentin Bish. Oh, Bish. Is there Tonka in here? Vanilla? No? Okay, good. Myself and Quentin have a past with Tonka and vanilla, and it's not a good past, so we'll see. But he is my best friend. But let's see what we get here. And again, oh, this packaging, this is sleeve. This reminds me of Healy's packaging where they have the foam and the sleeve. By the way, if you haven't checked out James Healy's stuff, the niche brand called Healy, highly recommended by me. If you like mints, Mount Fresh, the best in the game, 100%. I don't like aquatics, but he has the best aquatic in the game. It's called Sel Marin. Just absolutely too gorgeous, like two of the best in the game. So sleeve is gone. We'll put it right here. And then it looks like this is a two-piecer. How do you open this? Oh, I see. Okay, there you go. Oh, there's a piece of paper in here. We're not going to go through it. I'm assuming it's, I don't know, information about the brand or the scent itself. Ooh, a little dirty from the eek. Okay, so there's the bottle. It's my first time holding an Nihilo bottle. Cap has some weight. Oh, it's got some blue inside of it. Some good detail here to it. Can't smell anything from the atomizer. And as always with a unboxing, we'll put on strip, but it is going to be my scent of the day today. I'll put on skin and see if we get a difference. Let's go. Fleur Narcotique from Nihilo, a first for me from the brand. Let's see what we get. It's bright, it's uplifting, it's watery. Okay, it does have some fruity aspects here. Very clean as a scent. Not too bold, Not too, it is in the fruity floral genre, but not overly sweet on the fruity side and not overly floral on the floral side. It's actually well balanced, but very transparent, floral, watery, some citrus, airy, almost lily of the valley like, and I know peony does that. Peony can be rose and lily of the valley like, and I'm kind of getting a little bit of that. You get that white floral going. Yeah, it smells like a light floral, perfect for spring. Perfect for, like, right now, buy this for spring. Atomizer, controlled, not bad. Okay, so yeah, orange blossoms in there, giving it its clean, soapy, floral aspect. Lychee is not very big and bold, but it's there. Fruity scents sometimes up top really dominate a scent. Not here. It very much shares with the floral. White musk, transparent, airy are all things that come to mind. So, well, Bish, first of all, Quentin, you know, I didn't know you had this in your repertoire. Well balanced, well done. I don't know what the back end is going to be on this, but it's got, as far as my personal taste, not, again, as a reviewer, I appreciate a well-built scent, and I have to give flowers to the nose. I don't want to. I really don't like Quentin, but I gotta give him his flowers here. It is well constructed in the introduction. Very much the florals are dancing together. You got some white florals. The peony is obviously the central theme here. Transparent, airy, kind of lily of the valley, rose-like. Yeah, fruity, bright, well balanced. Yeah, it kind of reminds me a little bit like something, I'm trying to think, like you know what it reminds me of? Kind of like Byredo, like something Byredo would do, like very thin, but well balanced. Byredo is known for that kind of stuff, right? It kind of reminds me, if you blindfolded me, because I've never smelled anything from this brand, I would probably say this fragrance is from Byredo. And because Byredo utilizes fruity nuances in the front of their fragrances, and then they have like almost this transparency in the back end depending on the scent profile. But yeah, not something that I'm overly excited personally for me. I don't know, like I would wear this, but I wouldn't, spend my money on this. I don't know how much these are. I didn't really do the research on this brand as much as how much they would be. I'm assuming $200 plus. I would not spend that money on this. I would look for something a little more masculine. The peach in it is not central. The lychee's much more central than that. I really do like the addition of the orange blossom in here. Peony is doing its thing. There is a little bit of green nuances coming in, so it's starting to morph a little more, I would say a little more unisex. I'm not saying that no man can wear this. You surely can, 100%. I feel personally, if you're asking me, it's gearing more towards women. But what I like about it, and I've always stated this in fragrance reviews, I'm always looking for quality and how unique a fragrance is and how well balanced and well blended a fragrance is. Doesn't matter who the nose is. If they have a bad track record, I will give them flowers like Quentin. I've been kind of bashing him the past couple of years in his designer fragrances for men. He really is trampling those and making them all in 1 million, making their reputation worse and worse. But this is well done. Very much, I wouldn't say unique, but very much well composed. I really like the transparency, the airiness, and almost like a watercolor-esque, almost like Hermes meets Byredo, kind of. Yeah, not bad. It's not for everybody. It's like Mojave Ghost by Byredo. It's not for everybody. It doesn't have that sexiness, you know, those big punching notes, like maybe one note here or there that will be big punching and give it personality. This ain't it. I don't think there's much personality here. It's very grounded, which is a good thing. It's a plus for this because it's well balanced. I like it. I don't know if I would spend the money that they're asking. And again, I don't know, but I'm assuming 200 plus. I might be wrong. But not a bad release. I could see why it has some love within the community and why not. I really like the way it was blended by Mr. Bish. Good job. So now, as far as decants, this will be decanted for fragflex.com. You'll see 10 ml decants of this on their website next week. And you can utilize my code TFG10 to get 10% off on this release or anything on their website. They do have full bottles like this. You can buy the full bottle at Fragflex and use my code, or you can wait for my 10 ml decants and you're going to get a decant of this for, of course, a great price. Plus you get 10% off. And now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. Good, bad, ugly. You agree, disagree with me. Absolutely love it. And why not, while it's a new brand, to my nose, pepper that comment section with recommendations to me. I don't mind buying decants of maybe something else that's hyped or loved, or you want me to look at it. Why not? I love doing, you know, I got my little sample series that I do on my channel. Why not? You know, delve into a brand that I haven't smelt much of. I love doing that. So there it is, Fleur Narcotique by Ex Nihilo. And as always, a great import fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your peony, lychee based fragrance wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube.